So we're gonna plant, guys, and this is our first time. Hi everyone. Can you open it? For that harder. So I hope it's going to work. Right. So we have our gloves. Look. And it's cold. Okay, let's put our...
My feet are gonna die.
Gloves. Is it right?
No.
Or,
oh my
I think
goodness.
it's on the other side.
You don't get it. Water. It's not working.
It's working. Right, so we're ready. And we have our pots here. Look. And I bought this 3-piece hand tool. I don't know what is the name of this. I think it's a hand fork. Right, so it's a hand fork. And it's a trowel. So there's two. Right, so what we're going to do is, because there are holes here, so I have to put this one in a box. Okay, so we will put this one here. Let's see if it's going to fit. Okay, show them. So we're using this compost. What is it called? All-purpose compost. So it's like a soil. In the Philippines, it's so different. You just have soil just outside your house, but here it's different. Right, okay, I'll check.
Add soil into it.
Wait first. Sit down. Okay, so we have one, and this is yours. Have it half first, and then we will put the seeds. Like almost, not full. Like maybe up until here, up until there.
Oh, okay.
Right, so like this, right? Get one of the...
And then you can pat it down with your hand. That's the whole point of...
So we have strawberry seed. No, not this one. We will just go for carrots for now. But they're really like small. So I don't know. What more soil? Add a bit more.
Like that?
Yeah, just top it up.
Okay, there.
Okay, and water it.
Like that? Ah, something went in my eye.
And then let's put some water.
Like this?
You put it there.
Where? Okay. Now do I just do the same thing?
Okay, so we will do now chili.
How much?
1, 2.
Oh no.
We have the pepper. Yeah, but you need more water. Go there to the other side. So I have these colored pots, and we're gonna... We never even had a, what they call this? Which one is carrots? Which one is... Oh my goodness. Because we just do it randomly. We never even research or something.
Alright,
so get those 3. We have to finish this. Come on. Okay, put this in the
bin.
Put this one here.
Okay.
Don't step on the